If you're looking for a privacy-friendly alternative to the official YouTube app on Android, you've probably heard of NewPipe and LibreTube. Both are open source, ad-free, and don't require a Google account, but they work a little differently. NewPipe has been around for years. It connects directly to YouTube and extracts video data on your device. That means it's fast, stable, and doesn't rely on any third-party servers. It also supports more than just YouTube, like SoundCloud and PeerTube. The downside? The interface feels a bit old school, and YouTube can still see your IP unless you use a VPN. LibreTube, on the other hand, is newer and built around piped. Instead of connecting directly to YouTube, it routes traffic through a piped server, which helps hide your IP and improves privacy. It also has a more modern design, built-in sponsor block, and optional subscription syncing across devices. The trade-off is that it depends on piped instances, which can sometimes be slow or temporarily down. So which should you choose? If you want maximum stability, multiple content sources, and no middleman, go with NewPipe. If you want better privacy, a modern UI, and sponsor block built in, LibreTube is the better pick. Honestly, both are great. It just depends on whether you value independence or extra privacy and polish.